Hi guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can have a backup of your GitHub account and link a email to it. So before proceeding to the video, I just need to say you one thing. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe because all the coding related updates, GitHub related updates you will get in my channel. So let's start. First of all, click on your profile, then click on the settings. Once you will click on the settings, here you can see email is written. Just click over the email. So here I have added two emails, but you need to add your email. So here it's written add email address. Here what you need to do, here you need to type your email like abc@gmail.com or whatever is your email, you can type it here. Okay, then you can click on the add, then it will send a code to your email address. What you need to do, just copy that code or OTP and paste it here, then it would be completely means added to your GitHub account. So you can see here, first of all my primary email is written here, and after that it is a backup email. If in future I lost my email for any reason, then I will have all the backup with this email and I can use this email to get all the code repositories, everything easily. So if this video is important, please like it so that it would be shared with all other members and help other guys also. That's all for today, guys. Thank you.